If you're in Southern Oaks, this is what your product looks like before you get new sod. What you're going to see here is a lot of subsoil. Now, I've tested the soil in this area, and it's very low phosphorus, low potassium, and high pH. But this is what your new sod is going to be put on. Now, they might grade it out a little bit, but this is what you start with. This is all subsoil. I'm here in North Texas, and one of the biggest mistakes I see with new sod has nothing to do with watering or mowing. It's the fertilizer. Our soil is high pH clay, which means it's loaded with calcium. So when you apply phosphorus, which new sod needs, it starts getting tied up almost immediately. I'm talking hours. That phosphorus reacts with calcium and turns it into the form the plant can't use. So even though you're doing the right thing, a lot of it never actually feeds the roots. That's the issue with most store-bought fertilizers. They're not built for North Texas soil. They're generic blends. And in this soil, a big portion of that phosphorus gets locked up fast. Now, a lot of people will say, don't worry, sod comes pre-fertilized. And yes, the grower fertilizes it regularly when it's being grown. But it's not like it's freshly fertilized right before it shows up at your house. And more importantly, when the sod gets cut, most of the root system is left behind. So now it's sitting on your soil with very limited ability to take up roots. That means what's in your soil and how available it is matters way more than people realize. That's exactly why we built our 7-24-6 blend specifically for North Texas high pH clay soils. We use ammonium sulfate as the nitrogen source, not urea. So we slightly acidify the root zone and improve nutrient availability. And we add humic acid, which helps protect the phosphorus from tying up with calcium and keeps it available long enough for the sod to actually root in. When you lay new sod, you've got a short window to get roots established. If phosphorus gets tied up during that window, you lose growth, you lose density, and the lawn struggles way longer than it should. So this isn't just fertilizer. It's built specifically to work with North Texas soil, not against it. New sod doesn't fail because we don't fertilize it. It fails because the nutrients aren't available when the plant actually needs it. So if you're in Southern Oaks and you want to get a soil tested lawn, go to my website at uglyweeds.com, fill out the web form, submit a couple pictures, and I'll see if your lawn's a good fit for our program. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.